What's up, guys? We are here at Knott's Berry Farm and we're about to ride HangTime, their brand new roller coaster. I'm David. I'm here with Brittney.
Hi.
How are you feeling right now, Brittney?
Nervous.
You scared? It is intimidating. There's a 150-foot straight vertical lift right in front of us right now. We're about to go up it, and then we're about to drop down. It's a more than vertical drop. Only dive coaster in California.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It feels like you're gonna fall out on the drop.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Help me!
Oh man, so we're getting up near the top.
I can't see anything but sky!
Wow.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, just drop us! Just drop us!
Oh my god!
And...
It's broken!
Oh man! Ah.
Oh my god!
Hands up! Hang time! So that's HangTime at Knott's Berry Farm. So come check it out. It's now open. But before we go, we're going to show you one more ride at night because this coaster has some awesome lights. So we're going to jump to night now. We'll see you soon. Alright guys, through the magic of video, it is now nighttime and we are back on HangTime because any coaster fan knows that a roller coaster ride in the dark is the best kind of roller coaster ride. And HangTime has a very special lighting package. It's all the track, the whole thing is lit up, bright blue, it's really awesome. So we had to come back at night and get you this video too. You ready to ride, Britt?
No!
I think it's scarier at night too.
Oh my god!
Oh man.
Oh my god! I look back! I look back! I look back!
You put your hands up?
No!
There you are.
No,
Come on.
it's not!
Hands up!
No! Oh my god, no!
Here we go! Alright, well there it is. HangTime at Knott's Berry Farm is now open. Come out and check it out this summer at Knott's Berry Farm. Thanks for watching.